Mmm.
Yeah.
No, that's nice. What's good, y'all? King Time Stu here, back with another video. But man, I'm trying to crank out these videos. We gotta stay consistent. If you guys haven't yet, check out the Amazon link. I might try to get this one added to the to the cheap fragrances because I believe this one is a cheapie. Shout out to Vince, but also shout out to Rudy. Rudy, he be going crazy with the fragrances. Yeah. So today we have Nitro Red, and this is Red Intense. This is a pour-on fragrance. Really nice red bottle. I don't know. Yeah, off top you can't. Oh, yeah, it is see-through. Yeah, this is a nice bottle. And depending on how this one is, I may have to purchase this one myself. Shout out to Vince, like I said, for letting me borrow this for the review. Let me just go ahead and get a fragrance strip, and we are going to test this guy out. So we have a nice presentation. Like, I mean, this does feel like it might be some real leather on there, and then also the little metal hang tag there also says Nitro, and then the cap, nice and sturdy cap. This is a magnetic bottle, magnetic cap, should I say? But yeah, we'll go ahead and do a couple of sprays and let you guys know what I think. Whew, nice atomizer. Really nice atomizer. Yeah. No, that's nice. This fragrance reminds me of 9 p.m. with a little bit of like Invictus, like that sweet bubbly EDT Invictus, not the other flankers or whatever, but yeah, that is something. I got some other stuff on my wrist already. We'll just spray it up top here. Oh man, this fragrance is really nice. And then the magnetic cap is an added bonus. Yes, we will scoop Hugo Boss back and we will add this guy right there just so you can see it. You know what I like to do, aside from smelling the fragrance, man, it went super bubblegummy, like Invictus on my skin here. That smells good though. It smells really good. So we're gonna hop over to Fragrantica Nitro Red Intensely. For the main, of course, we got woody, ozonic, aquatic, fruity, lavender, amber, fresh spicy, citrus, aromatic, warm spicy. And this fragrance, it has a 4.3 out of 5, and that has 1100 votes. This fragrance was launched in 2020. Shout out to COVID. Can I say that on YouTube too? I don't know. I'm about to get flagged and all that for saying the wrong words. But yeah, off top, this fragrance, top notes start off with apple, lavender, bergamot. Middle notes, we got watermelon, cedar, calamus. Never heard of that before. Not even sure what that smells like. But then for our base notes, we have amber, sandalwood, and patchouli. Yeah, you could get that. That's what it is. So Vince, when he stopped by, he said that this Nitro reminds him of Al Haramain Amber Oud Gold. This one has a lot of fruities in it, also with the woods and all that too. But I think I'm getting like that watermelon, and that watermelon apple combination is like making a nice bubblegummy fruity type vibe. You know what I mean? So this one, long lasting. Everyone thinks it's long lasting for the longevity. Strong sillage. And man, this fragrance, they have a ton of different flankers for this Nitro line, which I may have to, dabble in and get some of those other ones, because once again, I believe this is a cheap fragrance. They also say this is more male, but I think a woman could pull this off and it'll be nice on a woman's skin. And yeah, like I said, the people spoke. They said this fragrance reminds them of Invictus. What did I tell y'all? Didn't even look this fragrance up. Let's see some of these other ones. Okay, they're saying Azzaro also. I think that's Wanted by Night. Also Valentino and Spice Bomb Green. Spice Bomb Night Vision. That definitely got some Night Vision vibes too. And I can see that Valentino. That is wild. Did they mix all of these fragrances in here? Also, 9 p.m. What did I tell you guys? Hawass, Liquid Broom, okay. And see, yep. I didn't say it, but Versace Dylan Blue. It definitely got some Dylan Blue type vibes in there. And I think that's just from that the citrus and the burger. Did it say bergamot? Let's just jump up. Yep, bergamot, exactly. Okay, so the first review, many people will compliment you if you're wearing this fragrance. I also like it. It lasts my 8-hour shift and I like that. The melon scent is present and matched with the color of the bottle. Boom, just like that. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my Amazon cart because I need a bottle of this. Because it's pretty different from what I have here, but like I said, I mean, it does remind me of some of the other fragrances that I have. But yeah, definitely a really nice fragrance. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna get this one added to my Amazon cart, but I'll also add it to my Amazon affiliate link. So you guys make sure y'all check that below. And yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. If y'all got Nitro or if you got any of the other flankers, let me know, because like I said, I might have to dabble into this whole Nitro line. Is it Dumont? Dumont, yep. Says there on the bottom of the bottle. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me move my face. And this one is an Extrait de Parfum. That's probably why I got that longevity and that projection like that. Definitely a good fragrance. I say cop that. Or let me know what you guys are wearing today. So today, actually, I went with Luminous Ghost by Patek Maison. And this one is the Extrait version with the crystals around the top, or the black stones around the top. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Y'all just stay tuned because I got a lot more stuff dropping. I also got in some Eternal Parfums, some oils by them, and I want to do a review on these, let you guys know what I think about that. Maybe we can get an affiliate link for them. That'd be fire. Let me know. Hey, Eternal Parfums, hit your boy up. I am King ×2. This is Nitro Red Intensely. Yeah, y'all make sure y'all stay prayed up and stay sprayed up. King ×2, we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.